Presido Buhari don't receive Compendium of Ecological projects. The 554-page compendium took mouth for the 365 ecological projects from 2015 to 2022 when Presido Buhari administration don't do through the Ecological Project Office. This presentation when shele for Abuja can show the 332 projects when Presido Buhari don't approve include the 266 completed projects and 66 when they go to complete. But Mustafa, when be secretary to the federal government and Oga Patapata for the Ecological Project Office, talk say the aim of the compendium na to sama the public with information about the different ecological projects when government they do.
The compendium is aimed at keeping the public abreast of the concerted efforts of the present administration in addressing verified ecological problems in all the nooks and crannies of Nigeria through the judicious utilization of the federal government share of the ecological fund.
Presido Buhari can talk say this compendium will give the people information about what government they do to solve the environmental challenges for Nigeria.
The documentation and publication of these achievements in our modest effort to tackle ecological problems is therefore predicated on our quest to improve communication and governance as a tool for keeping citizens well informed and helping them to hold the government accountable. Hopefully, the Compendium bridges the part of the information and communication gap between Nigerians and the real-time performance of this administration by portraying the specific locations of ecological projects with pictorial evidence as well as proofs of handing over the projects to the beneficiaries.
Presido Buhari contact the Ecological Project Office for this ogbonge work when go help inform the public.
In order to leverage the benefits accruable to government from the commendable efforts of the Ecological Project Office and the effective communication of these efforts through this kind of publication, I encourage all ministries, departments, and agencies which have not done so to showcase their performance and achievements to the public.
Omo Aluki Ajakaye, TMC TV News.